Hello everybody, I'm Shobhit. So guys, in this video we will talk about how to open a OpenAPI spec file or YAML file in a redoc viewer on your local machine. So for that you have to install a extension over here in Visual Studio Code. So let me quickly show you that extension. Go to this extension over here, search redoc viewer. So once you do that, you will see a redoc viewer. You have to just install it. Since it is already installed on my machine, then I'll just showcase you how you can use it. Then you have to open a YAML file. So this is my YAML file, petstore.yaml. Just click on that. You will see all the specification over here. You can modify whatever you want. Once you do that, you have to click on view, click on command palette. Over here, if redoc viewer is not coming, just type it redoc viewer, and once you type it, press enter. Here in the browser, you will see it opens something on port number 9093. Port may be something different on your machine, but you will see the information over here. You can modify on the fly also. For example, if you want to modify some title or anything, you just need to go over there and just click on save. So once you do that, you will see this is reflecting on the fly. So in this way, you can modify your OpenAPI spec accordingly. That's all for this small demo. If you have any question, concern, please put a comment on my video. Thank you for watching that video.